Jahangir in 1611 and became the Empress of India? So the answer is Noor Jahan. The second question, the Queen of Kittur, who led an armed rebellion against the British but was defeated in 1824. So the answer is Rani Chinnamma. The third great woman, Emperor Ashok's daughter, she became a Buddhist nun and is credited with the establishment of the Bhikkhuni Sangha. So the name of the Ashoka's daughter was Sanghamitra. So children, please look at the spelling, Sanghamitra. So here in the yellow color box in the next page, you have the names written here. You can check out the spelling from these boxes. Now the next question, the Rani of Jhansi, who fought bravely against the British in the 1857 War of Independence. So this you all know very well. It is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Now come to the next page, children. Fifth number, called the Rajmata, she was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was crowned king in 1674. So it is Jijabai, Jijabai. Next question, question number 6. The valiant and pious Maratha queen who ruled central India from 1767 onwards from her capital at Maheshwar. So it is Ahilyabai Holkar. So check out the spelling here, children. Ahilyabai Holkar. Now next question, she became the first woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate in 1236. That is Razia Sultan. Now children, just now we read about all the great women of our country, that is India. Now we have another question. Now in this question it is asked to arrange these women in chronological order, means as they appeared according to the time, means who came first and then the next and then the next, like that way according to the time, with respect to the time. Use the descriptive clues to help place them. One has been done for you. So here the time is given, the years are being mentioned, so you have to arrange them accordingly in that order. So 300 BCE. Now children, what is the full form of BCE? It is before common era. You might have read this in history. So it was that time, it was the time of Sanghamitra. Now next one, 1205 to 1240 CE. Now C is common era. So it is Razia Sultan. Now next, 1577 to 1645 CE, that is common era, it is Noor Jahan. 1598 to 1674 common era, that is Jijabai. 1725 to 1795 common era, it is Ahilyabai Holkar. Next, 1778 to 1829 common era, it is Rani Chinnamma. And the last one, that is 1828 to 1858 common era, that is Rani Lakshmi Bai. So this is the order, children. Okay. Now the very important thing of the chapter, that is the cool fact. So here it is given about the Taj Mahal. All of you might have visited also, and you know it is among the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, so this Taj Mahal is located at Agra. So it was built by Emperor Shah Jahan as the final resting place for his wife Mumtaz Mahal, who was the niece of Noor Jahan. So these are the things you should remember. Okay then children, please fill up the answers of these chapters in your book and learn them. Okay, thank you.